I want that.
Yeah, I would never order this again. I wouldn't advise anybody to order this.
Pretty harsh words, right? Well, be sure to stay to the end so you find out what exactly he's talking about. Today, we will be reviewing the Night 1 menu on board the Carnival Radiance that sailed on October 30th of 2023. As promised, we have gone through everything that was offered that was new, and we are giving you our honest, uncut opinions. So let's start with roasted tomato soup. Go ahead, ma'am.
I want that.
You want that? No, you don't. It's mine.
I'm into like parsley or whatever, but that's really good.
Okay, explain.
Like, there's actual tomato in it, number one. Well, I know, but some tomato soups aren't made with actual tomato.
Okay.
Number two, the seasoning is really good, really on point. It's not super chunky. It's not super creamy. It's like right in the middle as well.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just overall really good. Like a 9 out of 10.
Oh, this is really good. It's really flavorful. It has really good seasoning. It's all tomato. You can taste like the herbs in it or whatever. It's really good.
Overall, it's really good. I feel like it'd be great with this too, because this is also spicy.
Okay.
I'll probably give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Good. Now, flavor. Definitely would try again. It's really good, really flavorful, not too spicy. The crust or pastry, that is really good, really flaky, really crunchy. I just really love it. Like 10 out of 10. Okay.
It's creamy,
Mm-hmm.
Japanese
good
food.
flavor, not over seasoned.
Okay.
The chicken is real tasty.
Okay.
It tastes more like a creamy chicken soup
Mm-hmm.
than anything else. But it is good. Yeah.
Fruit and chicken. This is the mushroom and chicken. I'm gonna take a little small amount of this. Oh my god, this soup is really good. It's creamy. The chicken isn't dry. It tastes like a pot pie without the crust. It's really good. It's very spicy. It's also really spicy. Extremely spicy. Other than that, it's really good. It's flavorful. The vegetables are crunchy and fresh. They're very spicy.
What do you think about it? As for what I think about it, I don't like full meals like that. Number one. Number two, it is a bit spicy, but not too much to where I cannot handle it. Texture, texture is not my thing. Overall, though, it's 4 out of 10 because it doesn't have really flavor. I don't like it. But it just tastes not. I don't like the texture of it, and I don't like it. I don't like whole spicy stuff.
You don't like to play.
It is spicy, so I like
It is very
spicy,
spicy.
but rating 1 out of 10.
What am I having here?
You're having the pappardelle with the lamb.
Like you got to put the
It's lamb pasta, basically.
you can put some lamb.
It's light on the lamb, though.
I'm gonna get really have to salmon. Okay. See? Fresh meat.
Tastes like spaghetti.
It tastes like spaghetti.
It tastes like spaghetti.
Oh, okay.
But don't get me, it tastes good. You got good seasoning. I wish I had some Parmesan cheese for it. But they season it good. The noodles are tender. Let's see, here goes some of the lamb. Let's see. Yep.
Okay.
You can taste the tomato, so much tomato sauce and stuff in there. It just tastes like spaghetti.
How is it? That's good. What about
I'm gonna get a piece of that later.
yeah. It has a nice smoky flavor. The barbecue sauce isn't too sweet. It's nice and tender, nice and perfectly flavored. That's really all I have to say about it. I don't have a clue what it's called, but it tastes good. Okay, sis, now you're trying the barbecue salmon. The salmon has a lot of flavor. Obviously, it tastes like salmon. But I like the fact that it's not dry. Because sometimes when you cook salmon, you can tend to overcook it. It just draws out the moisture. And this one is just like really flavorful, really tender, but not too tender. So yeah, I give this. I give this a 10 out of 10. That's tough. All right, now we're good. Oh, stop it. Other than the dryness of it, it's really flavorful. Has great smoothness once again. So dryness does take some points off of it. So overall, I didn't even give my rating for the same. Overall, the chicken is a.
This is wrong.
The potatoes are wrong.
Potato is wrong. Usually,
That's right.
Yes. Okay, but anyways, like I said, the chicken was like a 7 out of 10. It could have had a bit more, I guess, humor to it. Didn't have to be like paper. That salmon, I don't think I gave that, but that's 10 out of 10.
It's under season. It's tender. And it just still have like a gaming taste.
and what?
Like a gaming taste. They didn't cook it properly. They smoked it, but they didn't cook it properly. This game here, it doesn't have any flavor. Whatever they season is what they season it with the wrong stuff. And I would never order this again. I wouldn't advise anybody to order this.
So there you have it, our complete take of the night one dining. If you enjoyed that, please stay tuned because we have a full cruise to go through along with some other tidbits of being on a Halloween cruise. If you enjoyed this content, then here's a little bonus episode right here of us trying the steak with chimichurri sauce. Have a good one.